engine that learns and evolves the more you play with him.
So Cozmo is really...
Cozmo uses computer vision to recognize faces, so he gets to know who's in the room. He also maps out the world around him to avoid obstacles. Powered by a so-called emotion engine, he sulks if you don't play with him for a while or gets excited when he recognizes a face and wins a game.
He wins.
All these emotions vary depending on external inputs. As for games, pit your fastest fingers against Cozmo by tapping on these power cubes as they light up in the same colour. When Cozmo launches in October 2016, the SDK will be opened up for developers to program him without needing a background in robotics. You can get Cozmo to count numbers, stack blocks, and many other complex robotic tasks like navigating around obstacles. The SDK will be rolled out in 3 phases. Firstly to hobbyists, then expect to see it for education. Finally, third-party developers will get access to make apps and additional games.
So you've just brought home your new best friend. Now it's time to bring him to life. Here's how. First, we'll need to turn Chip on. Lift the flap underneath his belly and hit the on switch. There are many different ways to control and play with Chip, but to start, try these. One of the ways you can interact with Chip is through touch. Chip loves it when you pet his head. When you do, he'll either sit or lay down. Just like a real dog, Chip doesn't like being poked. If you poke him too hard, he might get angry, but he'll forgive you if you pick him up. Chip loves being picked up. If you nose up to give him a kiss, he'll give one right back. Chip can also hear you. To get his attention, all you have to do is say, "Hey Chip," like this.
Hey Chip, sit down. Hey Chip, let's dance.
For a full list of voice commands, check out the Chip app. Chip comes with 3 connected accessories that bring him to life in many exciting different ways. The Smart Band, the Smart Ball, and the Smart Bed. Boy, when you turn it on for the first time, Chip gets very excited. All he'll want to do is chase after it until he traps it between his paws. If you've got your Smart Band turned on and activated, he'll bring it over to you for a game of fetch. Some of the ball gameplay relies on the Smart Band being on. Whenever Chip is low on energy or idle for too long, he'll retreat to his Smart Bed where he can recharge until you're ready to play again. When you plug it in for the very first time, he'll stop whatever he's doing and head for his bed. Be sure to keep the bed somewhere accessible to Chip so he can get to it easily. If for any reason his batteries are low and he can't make it back on his own, you'll receive notifications to your Smart Band as well as to your Chip app. Stay tuned for more videos with specifics on the smart accessories, Chip app, and all sorts of hints and tricks so that no Chip is ever quite like your Chip.
Connect Alpha 1S to your iOS and Android devices with Bluetooth, and he can tell you a story.
The wizard changed the king into an ugly frog and cast him into the spooky swamp.
The 3D visual software makes him easy to program for beginners and advanced users.
Yeah, sure. Like this?
Use the RPP function to record,
Start position number 2.
position, and play back your Alpha's movements.
All right, do a push-up.
Which program are we doing, guys?
Let's try push-ups. All right, let's do it.
Plus, you can upload your programs and download unlimited actions from the Alpha Actions
All right,
library.
you guys ready? Okay, get down. Keep your back straight like Alpha. Nice work, Braden. Nice. You guys programmed this?
His energy-efficient, high-torque robotic servos mean Alpha 1S can keep going, even after you get tired.
Come on, you can do it. You want to try Kung Fu? Nice. A little higher.
Oh no, I'm gonna rip my pants. Oh.
Are you ready to get wrecked?
The easy-to-use app and finger-friendly design make Alpha 1S a safe and fun companion.
Da, 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 and da, da, da. Punch!
16 robotic servos give Alpha 1S the flexibility to really put on a show.